Have you ever heard of a health savings account or HSA, but you're not quite sure how it works or if it's the right fit for you? It's totally understandable. HSAs can be a powerful way to save on healthcare, but most people don't realize how much value they offer. I'll walk you through what an HSA is, how it works, and why it might be one of the smartest financial tools you can use. An HSA is a special savings account you can use to pay for qualified medical expenses tax-free. It comes with two big tax advantages. First, the money you contribute is tax deductible. Second, when you spend it on qualified medical expenses, those withdrawals are also tax-free. That combo can lead to some serious savings both now and in the long run. But there's a catch. You can only open an HSA if you're enrolled in a high deductible health plan, or HDHP. If you missed our last video on HDHPs, I'll link it above so you can check it out. In 2025, you can contribute up to $4,300 if you're on an individual plan and $8,550 if you're on a family plan. And if you're age 55 or older, you can add an extra $1,000 as a catch-up contribution. You can contribute all at once or spread it out over the year. The money in your HSA is yours. It's not use it or lose it. It rolls over year after year and it stays with you even if you change jobs or your health plan. That makes it a great long-term tool, not just something for immediate expenses. You can pay doctor visits, prescriptions, lab work, dental, vision care, and even some over-the-counter meds. As long as it's a qualified medical expense, you can use your HSA funds tax-free. Unlike a flexible spending account or FSA, you don't lose the money at the end of the year. HSAs roll over, build up over time, and stay with you no matter what. If you stay healthy and don't use it much now, great. You can continue to contribute year after year. Later on, you'll have a nice balance saved up to cover medical costs in retirement, or just give you a financial cushion when you need it. Once at retirement age, you can even use HSA funds to pay for COBRA premiums, Medicare premiums, and long-term care expenses. Let's recap the biggest benefits of an HSA. Number one, you'll get a tax break on the money you contribute. Number two, you can spend it tax-free on medical expenses. And number three, the money's yours. You keep it. It rolls over and stays with you. Save now, spend later, keep it tax-free. Now, just a heads up, there are a few rules. You must be enrolled in a high deductible health plan. You can't be enrolled in Medicare, and you can't be claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return. If you qualify, this might be the smartest financial tool available to you. So what do you think? Are you already using an HSA or thinking about opening one? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. In our next video, we'll be diving into flexible spending accounts, or FSAs, how they work, how they compare to HSAs, and what you need to know to avoid losing your balance at the end of the year. Be safe, and I'll see you in the next one.